warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Ardiansyah. I'm from Aipi Makassar. My major is Nautica Level 2.
And my name is Christoper. I'm from Aipi Makassar and my major Nautica Level 2.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the church is?
Yes, it's that way. You go 3 blocks in Garuda Street, then turn right. It's on a corner across from the school.
Oh, thanks. I've only been in town a few days, so I really don't know where my way around yet.
Oh, I know how you feel. We moved here a year ago and I still don't know where everything is. Excuse me, can you tell me where the church is?
It's that way. You go 3 block to Garuda Street and then turn right. It's on the corner across the school.
Thanks, I've only been in town a few days, so I really don't know my way around here.
Oh, I know how you feel. I moved here a year ago and I still don't know everything is.